Hey everyone, it is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you have returned to the craft reality check. Yes, we are checking out products in the diamond painting and crafting world, and do they sparkle or do they fizzle? Are they a hit or are they a miss? So we are going to dive in and start from the unboxing to the actually using to see what in the world is going on with this product. Now, this product was picked in the poll by my members. Yes, you get special perks if you are members. So thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. And the product is from Kevin's DP Pens. I am going to show you the site right here off of Etsy. Go check them out if you believe it's a hit. And don't protest if you think it's a miss. Just kind of let me know. All right. So I bought. Yes. So this actually, by watching, you help support the channel, and I am able to go out and buy this so that we can work on it together. And I bought a few things, but the key thing we are looking for is this thing right here. It says thank you very much. And this is what it's called. Well, let me pull up exactly what it's called. I'm clicking on my computer here. It is called the Loop Nail Saver Container Tool. And it helps remove labels. It helps with opening things. And we're going to see, does this little thing truly work? Now, this is handcrafted by Kevin himself, and Kevin's wife, Miss Erica over there, helps put the product online and does the quality control. So what does this thing do? Well, my nails, all right, I'm going to be vulnerable, break all the time. I don't know why. I take plenty of vitamins, everything like that, but for some reason, this is about as long as they get, but I'm always breaking them on my Elizabeth Ward. So I have 3 different sizes that we're going to open here. And normally you have to use your fingernail. This thing, watch this. Supposedly, you put it on. OMG. There you go. Easy open, easy shut. Let's try that again. Woo! All right, I'm going to give a close up. There you go. Now we're going to try it with the smaller one. Again, if I use my nails, ouch, that hurt, right? But we're going to use this instead. Whoops. I promise I'm just putting it. See, this is hard. Let me put it back towards me. Yes, definitely this was a good one to practice on because it's not easy. There we go. It's not easy to open. So here we go. Whoop. There it is. It opens. Okay, let's try the small one because it's hard to hold. Look at that. Easy open, easy shut. Easy open, easy shut. Now, what else is this good for? Tic Tac boxes. You guys remember these? How many of you still use the Tic Tac boxes? I have too many drills. But these are great for minis if you're doing minis from the different stores and programs, okay? So you don't necessarily need it for this one because there's enough of a ledge and it opens pretty easy. So why do you need this? Well, how in the world are you going to get your drills poured back in there? You can use this. Whoop, that pops it right out for you and you can pour your drills in there. Now, let me put some drills actually in this container so that we can see if they fly out with the lid. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to put the lid back on. Okay, we're going to open the lid. We're going to use this. I'm going to pop this off. There you go. Now see, I wasn't super excited that time and it worked great. So we're going to try it one more time. I just have my finger here so it doesn't fly off. Look at that. Saves everything. Now, Erica has on her site better ways to hold it and work with it, things like that. Again, the link will be down below if you believe that this is a hit. Now, another thing is, how do you get these pesky things off of here? You can use the scraper. Look at that. It helps it come right off. Now, this is a good example because look, there's still some left. You can use a little scraper and it scrapes it right off. Look at that. Now, I'm going to show you close up. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I need a couple of these because I'm going to freaking lose this, right? Okay. So I know this is a shorter video, but I would have to say from Kevin's DP pens, this the loop nail saver is a hit for me. I definitely give it, I'd say 4.5 stars. I wish it were just a little bit longer right here. But it could be that that could just be me. It could be that they've tried it multiple ways and that if it's any longer, it could break. I don't know. The only reason I wish it was a little bit longer is, I don't know, it works. Maybe it's just me. But I need to go buy a couple of these. These are $8. This is actual wood. They actually turn it and make it amazing. So I'm going to, where is Thumbkin? I am going to save up my pennies and probably buy 2 to 3 more of these because I want to be able to have one with each kit that I'm working on kind of right in the lid or like in here. It'd be great to go inside here because I'm usually working on several at a time and that way I'm not losing them as much versus if I just left it out in the open. As you can see, I have craft supplies everywhere. But this is definitely a hit for me. 4.5 to 5 stars. The only reason is I would like something that would help me not lose this. I don't know how I could figure that out. And I don't think that's Erica or Kevin's problem. So let's throw out the half star and let's give it a 5 stars. You tell me if it is a hit or miss, if it's a sparkle or fizzle for you. And down below is the link. You can check it out. So until next time, be blessed and be sending me what products you would like me to use next. Bye-bye.